Hello guys, today we have the square gold bathroom faucet by Forious. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Inside you will see this sheet of paper that will include all the parts that come included on this kit. Here you will have the faucet. Look at this, this is beautiful. This is brushed gold, and if you actually notice, your fingerprints don't stay in there. It comes with the cold and the hot water handles. You can tell right here because this is blue, this is a cold, and this is red, this is a hot. You will also find the black water hose with quick connections. This is going to make your installation very simple. You will also find the pop-up sink drain stopper with the mounting hardware right here. If you actually notice, each one of these parts include the rubber washer, the metal washer, and the screws. It also includes the cold and hot water supply hoses. Some additional tools and some additional plastics. If you ever lose those or they just pop out, you have replacements right here. This is a very complete kit. The faucet holes are 8 inches, so it will fit the majority of the US sinks. Everything is ready to install. This black hose right here will go directly connected to this end right here, and the other end will connect directly to the faucet. This faucet will be a waterfall style, so it will look very luxurious in any bathroom. The water lines are going to go directly connected to your water supply. The color is amazing. This brushed gold, I just love it. I thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.